If you lose a title deed, hakuna haja ya kupanic because a title deed can be replaced, and here is how. So the first step is to report the matter to the nearest police station. Watakupatia a police abstract or the OB, the reference number that is of the case. This is mandatory during the application. The second step would be to get an affidavit. Unapata kwa commissioner for oaths ama the notary public. In this case, this is done basically ndio ina prove how it got lost ama kwa nini imepotea, the how yani. So that is going to help during the entire process. And now the third one would be kuipublish kwa newspaper. So unaweza tumia Daily Nation ama the Standard. Kama this is just for in case there's a competing person manasema hapana, if to prevent also fraud cases. Unapata kuna mtu anataka kukuibia shamba na ameenda akareplace your title. So yeah, if you publish within a certain period of time, kama bado hawajakupatia feedback that hii iko sawa, then mna proceed kwa the land registry where some mnafanya hiyo the application. Hapa lazima ukuwe na hiyo the police abstract, the affidavit, hizo ni notice za newspapers za publishing. The notice must also be there. Zinafaa kuwa na ID na pin yako, which is very very important. After you provide the necessary documents, they are going to do the verification, and now the application can now commence. At the application, they are going to do verification. They are going to take the documents at the land registry office and compare them against the documents zenye uko nazo saa hiyo. And then after that, kama kila kitu iko sawa, notice imerudi, hakuna mtu mwenye ameobject, nobody is fighting you saying that this is my property, I actually have the title ama ametokea na title. If nothing whatsoever may happen, if it has been verified hakuna fraud, then the application can now commence. The process basically takes about 2 to 3 months. Na ikoangi pesa mingi sana, between 10,000 to 15,000 you will have gotten your title. Yeah, and basically that's how you renew a lost title. So just in case you're out there na umepoteza title ama umemisplace ama imeibiwa ama ilichomeka kwa nyumba ama imeenda na maji kama sahi, you can definitely get another title. So yeah, that's it. Bye.